Hi, I'm Brian Stoner with Judy Security, and in this module, we're going to talk about playbooks. What is a playbook? If you're not familiar with the terminology, there's a new category of tools that's been acquired by many other network security companies called Security Orchestration and Event Remediation, SOAR. A SOAR playbook is essentially the ability to automate something that an analyst would do manually. This is a functionality that's included even for the small business customer within the Judy's Blue Team and the Stellar Cyber OpenXDR platform. It starts with a particular alert. If the customer is concerned about a specific activity, external access to servers at night, a compromised device propagating on the network, an internal user accessing data that they shouldn't. If we can detect it and collect the logs for it, we can build a playbook off of that. As a partner, that playbook starts with that detection, but then can be set up in a way that you can set it to run on a specific interval, however often that customer is concerned about it happening. We can have it set to run every so many minutes. And we can also choose specific tenants that we want it to run on, or all tenants. Or we can even do tenant groups. So here at Judy Security, our Blue Team has a number of these playbooks built out of the box. And depending on the customer's comfort level with this type of automation, as we're onboarding them and tuning in their environment, we can turn these pre-built playbooks on right away, or we can build custom ones. Next, you add a query. What's it looking for? We just have to give it those parameters. Next, you determine the conditions that this event needs to meet so that the playbook will run. If it happens once, great. If it happens 3 times, but less than 6, we can create custom conditions for this event to meet before the playbook triggers. When the playbook triggers, we can take multiple actions. A popular one when we do set these up for customers is an email notification to know that the playbook triggered because an event met those conditions. But from there, we can also, if it's very urgent or critical, send a Slack to their security team. We can use a webhook responder. You can put a Python script in here and have it take an action. We can use legacy webhooks to maybe quarantine a device, or in the earlier example that in the demo that I did, maybe send a block rule to a firewall. And then finally, we can even create custom alerts across any of these types of events. So in summary, playbooks are really an evolving capability that many small businesses don't have access to yet, but through the flat rate pricing in the Judy Security Blue Team services, they're able to get this enterprise functionality to reduce the dwell time and automatically remediate threats that they're concerned about in real time. Thanks for your time.